Welcome to the Prac Pad Playbook. I'm Stephen from Drum Above, and we are here to build consistently daily with maximum reward. We're going to jump into 3 exercises, 2 of them you've done before, and we're adding a new one to build those thumbs. Yeah! I've seen some players where the stick is starting here and then you're pushing through, and that's a problem where we're kind of fighting for that stick sound, and then guys hang on too much or they drop the stick. Start with your hand up like this, and you're literally doing, as you're dropping your hand, you're slowly just turning your hand down to meet it so that you're used to the strike, because you are used to the strike. Obviously, we're doing this extremely mechanically to start slow at first to get your body and your mind used to working this together. Push pull at 48. 3 and 4 and 1, 2. Three and 4 and 51. 3 and 4 and 1. One, 2, 3, 4. Pow. Third and final. 54. 3, 4. And done. Next up, we got the paradiddle. Now, remember, for all my fancy folk, we're going to hit the pa first, and everything else is super soft. For my not so fancy folk, it's paradiddle, and everything else is soft, baby soft. Let's get into the paradiddles. 53, here we go. 2, 3, E and up, 4, E and up. and a 4 E and a 1. Next is paradiddle at 56. Here we go. 2, 3 E and a 4 E and a. And if you did that last hit, good for you. I was trying to end on the Okay, let's go up to 59. 3 E and a 4 E and a. The third and new exercise, we are jumping into what is called the finger tap. The finger tap literally consists of us working on each individual finger. It does get more increasingly difficult, but we want to focus on just moving the thumb. What we want to try and do is find that sweet spot that is bouncing and there is little effort. You're trying to look for that fulcrum point where the stick bounces and there's not a lot of work to be added. All you're doing is guiding the stick. That is what we're aiming for. This is the goal, is to try and make this as light as possible, but also understand the micro muscles that need to work and form within this hand, well, and this other hand. We are going to start with simultaneous notes and eighth notes, meaning 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Now, the second bar we're alternating between will be alternating sticking. You're going to be playing 16th notes, so it'll be 1 E and 2 E and 3 E and 4 E and 1 and 2 and so forth. You will drop the stick. It will feel stupid and awkward. You will move your arms. Focus on no wrist movement whatsoever. 30 BPM into simultaneous notes. And then second bar will be 16th notes alternating. 1, 2, 3 E and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and alternate. Together. Alternate. Together. Let's finish it. Nice work, everybody. Right now, just focus on your hands not moving. If one hand is really struggling, it's okay. Focus on just that one hand and just hold on the eighth notes the whole way through. 2, 3, 4, and 1. And that's it done. You can even see at the end, you even noticed maybe a little bit, maybe you were so busy focusing on your form, even my left hand gives away. This is very slow, so it's a bit of a difficulty to add momentum to this, which is a crutch. A crutch right now that we will use later on, but we first need to understand the control for each and every balanced hit. 36. There we go. 2, 3, and 4, and. We're here to stay consistent, we're building every day, and every little step will create a beautiful pathway. Oh, snap, I made that rhyme, I didn't even try. Woo, baby, I'll see you tomorrow.